Welcome to this tutorial on how to leave a review on Vrbo. Leaving a review is an important step in helping other travelers make informed decisions about their accommodations. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of leaving a review on Vrbo step by step. First, you need to sign in to your Vrbo account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once you are signed in, navigate to the property you stayed at and click on the listing. Next, click on the Write a Review button. This button is usually located at the top of the property listing page or at the bottom of the page, under the Reviews section. Now, you will be taken to a page where you can leave your review. Start by giving the property a rating out of 5 stars. This rating should reflect your overall satisfaction with the property. After giving a rating, you will need to write a review. Be honest and descriptive in your review, mentioning both the positive and negative aspects of your stay. Try to be as specific as possible, including details about the property, the location, and the service you received. It is also a good idea to include tips for future guests, such as recommendations for local restaurants or activities. Keep your review concise and to the point, aiming for a few paragraphs at most. Once you have written your review, you can add photos or videos to support your comments. This can be especially helpful for illustrating any points you make about the property. Finally, click the Submit button to post your review. Your review will be reviewed by Vrbo before it is published, to ensure it meets their guidelines. Some best practices to keep in mind when leaving a review on Vrbo include being respectful and professional, even if you had a negative experience. Avoid using inflammatory language or making personal attacks, as these can be removed by Vrbo. Also, make sure to only review properties you have actually stayed at, as fake reviews can damage the credibility of the site. By following these steps and guidelines, you can help other travelers make informed decisions about their accommodations and have a positive impact on the Vrbo community.